Hi, I'm Jenny. I have a YouTube channel where I do hair, makeup, and skincare. I also do hair and makeup for brides here in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I want to share with you the City Beauty products I received. The way that I became introduced to this company is I received the Clear City Beauty lip gloss from a friend. I was so impressed with it that I wanted to try some other products. So I have clean skin and my hair's up so that I can put on some skincare and give you my first impressions. We'll come back tonight and I like to do a mask at night while I'm watching my favorite Netflix series. And so we'll come back tonight and I'll try one of those with you. But for now, let's do some skincare. Pin my bangs up out of the way. I'm going to begin with Serum. Here it is, the Uplift Firming Serum. Sourced from rare algae-like organism that thrives 11,154 feet below the ocean surface. Helps recharge aging skin, promoting a firmer, tighter, more lifted look. So let's give this one a go. Goji fruit extract, hyaluronic acid, Laminaria saccharina is the algae, and the goji, of course, is a super nutrient goji blend designed to support skin thickness and smoothness. And you know that hyaluronic acid, what it does. All right, let's see. How do we work this? It just smells like skincare. It doesn't smell fruity or anything. It has that serum smell that most serums smell like. It's a little bit tacky. And it's recommended to use it twice daily. So that's just absorbing straight into the skin. All right, that feels really good. I have the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. The active ingredient is derived from the bark of a rare African tree. Immediately forms a contouring network on skin surface to create a smooth, tightened finish within 5 minutes of application. Give this a go. It's the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. Oh, nice. It has a little spoon. It's a pretty jar. It'll look good on your bedside table or your vanity in your bathroom. Okay, let's give this a go. Oh yeah, that's got a soothing fragrance like a night cream would have. Very soothing. So this is just my initial impressions of these products. I'll come back and give you an update. Oh, that feels nice. So that was the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. It has a powerful peptide that improves the look with a remodeling enhanced firming effect. A cutting-edge compound creating a firmer look for sagging skin that results in a natural facelift effect without surgery. I can feel it tightening up. Nice. How often are you supposed to use that? Morning and night. Apply a quarter size amount onto face. I was a little bit conservative with my serving. I will use more tonight. All right. This is so nice. Okay, Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. I'm thinking this will have your sunscreen in it. All right, so it is sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 39. Spread evenly onto skin 15 minutes before skin exposure. Apply as the last step in the morning skincare. My face is getting tighter. I can still feel the multi-action sculpting cream working. I could go out without anything on now, couldn't I? Looks good. All right, reapply as needed. Okay, so let's try this. The Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. I'm betting this will have a nice texture to it and that it will work really well under your foundation. My brides are always asking me if I have any products that I recommend. So now I have a skincare line to recommend. All right, let's give this a go. Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. The packaging's pretty too. This matte blue, isn't that pretty? It feels good too. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's silky feeling. I like it. It has a very faint fragrance. And I think it's probably just the ingredients. It doesn't have any perfume in it. Yes, very silky. Nice. Feels really good. Active ingredient. Oh, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. That's what gave it that brightening effect when I first put it on. I highly approve. As a makeup artist, I highly approve of that kind of sun protection. All right, under eye recovery. Let's give this a go. This is really interesting. The Rejuvenox coats aging, suffocated tissues with revitalizing oxygen to reduce the appearance of fine lines and create a smoothing effect for your skin's texture. I like that claim. Slight fragrance. Oh, that feels good. And it's soaking in quickly. I feel like it would work well under your foundation, under your makeup. Or little massage while I'm at it. It recommends that you wear it at night twice a day. So all of it is twice a day. I would say that it does reduce the appearance of fine lines. Wouldn't you? All right. And that was the under eye recovery. I have a mascara to try, and it's called Beyond Mascara. Let's hear about, I want to read about the mascara. You know how into mascara I am. Okay, it promotes strong keratin bonds for longer, thicker looking lashes. Studies showed an increase in volume 70%. Minimizes lash breakage and shedding for more volumized, denser looking lash line. And it had the hyaluronic acid. So that is an ingredient that, yes, so hyaluronic acid is in all of these. Yes. All right. Including the mascara. which hydrates lashes to help reduce brittleness and breakage, decreasing dullness by 48% and dryness by 47%. Let's give this a go. Wow, what a pretty container. It's matte, it's navy, it's got a gold lid. The packaging is really pretty. I have a mirror right here. I'm going to curl the lashes on one side and not curl the lashes on the other. I like the shape of the wand. That way you can get all the lashes at once. It's kind of a hourglass shape. They're shorter in the center because it fits the curvature of your eyes. I like it. It made my lashes look longer quickly. It builds quickly. All right, let's put it on the one that I didn't curl. I guess the point of curling the lashes first was to see if it made the curl drop out. Nice mascara. Like it. Let's put some on the bottom. I like a mascara that builds quickly, especially to put in my kit, because I don't have time to go back several times and do mascara. I need it to build good the first go round. Like it. What say you? I like the mascara. Haven't come across anything that I'm disappointed in yet. Everything's very nice. For the real fun, I have lip products. We all like lip products, don't we? Even if we don't wear anything else, any other makeup, we always put on mascara and a lip, right? This is the City Lips Matte, and the color is Blush Rose. Everything's packaged so nicely, like a trophy. Isn't that nice packaging? And I told you this is Blush Rose. Let's give this a go. Feels really good. I would probably wear a lip liner with it, but it's a great lip color. The matte has hyaluronic acid spheres, oligopeptide technology, moisturizing oil blend. That's what I want to know because it feels really good. Ylang ylang flower oil and jojoba oil form a barrier that effectively locks moisture in and comforts, soothes, and rejuvenates dry, chapped lips. Feels really good. Velvet matte finish. I would say so. These plumping spheres use the skin's own natural moisture to give wrinkles a plumped up look from the inside out. I would say so. That's nice. I love that. I'll do a makeup look with this to show you how I would wear it. Let's try the Rosy Mauve. I'm thinking that one's a little warmer, a warmer pink, and I'm thinking this one's going to be the cooler pink. Yes, this is the cooler pink. I'm going to take this lip off. It really feels good. It's got a cooling effect. All right, let's try this one. That one's really pretty. Like it. And that one was the Rosy Mauve. Yes. Like it. They really feel good. They do feel conditioning. My skin's looking good too, isn't it? I'm going to take that color off and show you the Plumping Lip Gloss. The Plumping Lip Gloss. This one is called Pink Nude. So whether you want a glossy finish or a matte finish, they have both products. It's an opaque, glossy. It's about the same color as the Blush Rose, but shiny instead. Wow, it really feels good. It hugs your lips. It's really nice. All right, and then the clear. Everybody's seen the clear before because I've demoed it in the past with my looks. Okay, and this one is called, I really like that. And this one is called San Diego. This one has some shiftiness to it. Oh yeah, some metallic. It's a peachy pink. It kind of reflects gold. Very pretty. Like that. So those are the products that I got to try from the City Beauty, and I enjoyed sharing them with you. There wasn't anything in the bunch that was disappointing. The mascara made my eyelashes look longer and fuller. The serum, the sculpting cream, the daily veil, the under eye recovery. The packaging is very bougie. It feels good to the touch. The products feel good when you use them. I can still feel my face tightening. We could all use that. I hope you enjoyed this first impressions and demo, and be sure and come back so that I can give you some follow-up impressions of all the products, and I'm going to be incorporating them in some looks. I enjoyed trying all these products with you. I'm excited to incorporate them in a makeup look, so keep a lookout for those videos. They'll be coming up very soon. I know you're anxious to try these products too, so I've included the link and a discount code in the description box. I can't wait to hear about your experience. Let me know in the comments which one of these products you're most interested in. I think they're all exciting, and I'll be giving you more feedback as the days progress. Y'all have a great evening, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Ta-ta!